podcast, you will learn about palindromes with Seyma Guney. I was in Beverley, in Worcestershire recently. It's a very old town and well known for a pretty bridge over the river in the center of town. But it's also known for another reason, one that most people don't know about. Mr. Edward Bambo from Beverley holds the palindromic record. The what, you may be asking? A palindrome is a word, sentence, or verse that reads the same forward or backwards. That is to say, from right to left and left to right. Eve and Anna are both short palindromic names. Then there is Hannah and Bob. You probably have some palindromic people in your family. Not sure? How about mom or dad? And you might even have a sis. Was it a car or a cat I saw? The letters need a little adjusting, but that's a palindromic sentence, or rather question. Mr. Bambo has put together 22,500 words to make a palindromic composition. They don't make a great deal of sense, but that's a lot of words to read backwards. Numbers can also be palindromes. For instance, 121. This can be read backwards or forwards. Palindromic numbers are very easy to create from other numbers with the aid of addition. Try this. Write down any number that is more than one digit. For example, 47. Write down the number reversed beneath the first number, which is in this situation 74. Add the two numbers together, which makes 121, and 121 is indeed a palindrome. Try a simple one first, such as 18. Sometimes you need to use the first addition answer and repeat the process of reversing and adding. You will nearly always arrive at a palindrome answer within 6 steps. Try one of these numbers, 68 or 79. If you choose a number greater than 89, arriving at the palindrome answer takes more steps, but it still works. But don't try 196. In fact, avoid it like a plague. A computer has already gone through several thousand stages and still hasn't come up with a palindrome answer. I wonder if you can think how many two-digit palindromes there are. How about finding all of the 3, 4, 5 or 6-digit ones? How about to a million digits? Some people have already beaten you to that, you will be glad to know. All the digits are palindromes, from 1 to 9. There are also 9 palindromes with 2 digits, 11, 22, 33, 99, etc. You can find to every 2-digit number 1 and only one number with 3 digits and with 4 digits. For example, for the number 34, there are 343 and 3443. You can conclude that there are 90 palindromes with 3 and also 90 palindromes with 4 digits. You can find to every 3-digit number 1 and only one number with 5 digits and with 6 digits. For example, to the number 562, there are 56,265 and 562,265. You can conclude that there are 900 palindromes with 5 and 900 palindromes with 6 digits. You have 9 plus 9 plus 90 plus 90 plus 900 plus 900, which is equal to 1,998 palindromes up to 1 million. That is 0.1998%. About every 500th number is a palindrome. Don't get palindromes mixed up with inversions. Inversions describe numbers that read the same upside down as the right way up. Can you think which year in the last century read the same when inverted? How about a year in the century before last? When will the next one occur? The only palindromic year was 1991 in the last century. The only palindromic year is 2002 in this century. If you type in 2002 to a calculator and turn over, 2002 will stay. So how and where did the idea of palindromes come from? We know a great deal more about word palindromes. The word itself is from the Greek palindromos, which means to run back again. The first palindromes were made up by organizing groups of words, not letters. A Greek poet states, who lived in Egypt in about 276 BC during the reign of Ptolemy II, wrote a palindrome about the king which wasn't appreciated. Poor old states was sealed in a box and cast out to sea for his efforts. Palindromes are found written in Egyptian hieroglyphs and in Latin texts. Despite quite a search, I have not been able to uncover anything significant about the history of the number palindrome. There is a journal written especially for people who are passionate about palindromes, and there are many palindrome websites. Some provide information on the findings of mathematicians who investigate how they can be formed and the patterns found when they create palindromes. Other sites provide palindrome puzzles and problems for you to solve. Maybe you can become the new Harvey Dunner, who from July 18, 2001 became a record breaker with a palindrome prime of 39,027 digits. What can we say Harvey except it could have been 39,093 digits?